Hello, welcome back to our channel. We're really happy you're here today. If you're learning English but still feel shy or stuck when speaking, this episode is for you. Today, we'll talk about small habits that can change your English without stress.
Hey everyone, let me ask you something honest. Have you studied English for a long time but still can't speak confidently? That's not your fault. Today, we'll share simple daily habits that actually work.
Many learners think they need big changes to improve English. They believe they need more courses or more books, but real progress comes from small actions done every day. Small habits are easy to start and easy to keep.
Big motivation disappears fast. Habits stay even when motivation is gone. That's why habits are more powerful than strong emotions. If you build good habits, English becomes part of your life.
The first habit is thinking in English. You don't need full sentences at the beginning. Simple thoughts are enough. For example, I'm hungry, or I need to study.
When you translate in your head, speaking becomes slow. Native speakers don't translate. Thinking in English trains your brain to react faster. Even 5 minutes a day makes a difference.
Talking to yourself in English is very powerful. You can do it anywhere and anytime. Describe what you're doing or what you're thinking. This builds speaking confidence without pressure.
There is no fear when you talk to yourself. No one corrects you or judges you. You can make mistakes freely. This is how fluency starts.
Listening is the foundation of speaking. You should listen to English every day. It can be podcasts, videos, or simple conversations. Your ears need training.
Many learners listen only during lessons. That's not enough. Short, daily listening is better than long listening once a week. Consistency is the key.
Repeating out loud improves pronunciation. When you hear a sentence, pause and repeat it. Try to copy the sound and rhythm. This helps your mouth learn English.
Your mouth needs practice, not only your brain. Repetition builds muscle memory. That's why kids repeat words many times. Adults should do the same.
Many learners want to use difficult words, but simple English is more powerful. Native speakers use simple language every day. Clarity is more important than complexity.
When you use simple English, you speak faster and with confidence. You don't stop to think too much. Simple English keeps conversations moving.
English should not feel like a school subject. It should feel like a daily tool. Use English in small moments. Change your phone language or write small notes.
When English becomes part of your routine, progress feels natural. You stop forcing yourself. Learning becomes lighter and more enjoyable.
Let's be honest for a moment. Most people don't fail because they are lazy. They fail because they try too much at once. English becomes heavy, stressful, and scary.
Yes, and when English feels stressful, the brain blocks it. You stop enjoying the process. That's why many people quit quietly. They don't stop learning English. English stops feeling human.
Here is a hard truth. You don't need more English. You need more exposure. Many learners already know enough to speak, but they don't use it.
People wait for confidence, but confidence comes after action. You speak first. Confidence comes later. Waiting is the biggest trap in language learning.
Let's reset everything. Forget big plans and long schedules. Choose one small habit only. 5 minutes every day.
5 minutes sounds small, but it's powerful. 5 minutes without stress beats 1 hour with fear. Consistency beats intensity every time.
For example, every morning say 3 sentences in English. They don't need to be perfect, just real, just honest.
Or every night, describe your day in simple English. What you did, how you felt. This is real English practice, not fake studying.
These habits work because they remove pressure. Your brain feels safe, and when the brain feels safe, learning becomes faster.
That's how children learn languages. No fear, no shame, just repetition and use. Adults need to return to that mindset.
One big mistake is comparing yourself to others. Everyone learns at a different speed. Comparison kills motivation.
Another mistake is trying to sound smart. English is not about sounding smart, it's about being understood.
You can connect English with things you already do. Listen while walking, think in English while eating, speak while cooking.
This is called habit stacking. English enters your life naturally. No extra time, no extra stress.
Imagine speaking without fear. Imagine understanding without translating. This is possible for you.
Not because you are special, but because you stayed consistent. Small habits create big identity changes.
Don't wait for motivation. Don't wait for confidence. Start small. Start today.
English is not a talent, it's a habit. Build the habit, and the language will follow.
If this conversation helped you, stay with us.
And tell us in the comments which small habit you'll start today.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next lesson.